Welcome to this IQ4NC configuration video. In this video we're going to be configuring our IQ4NC to do Ethernet to trend Internetwork. We'll move on to setting up the NC. So here I've got set and I've got a project already created, so I want to establish comms. So if you go into tools and then trend IP tool, so if I hit connect, select the IP address which I'm going to be using, the network, so hit OK. And as you can see, it's mapped in all of the devices. So the one I'm interested in is this NC. And as you can see, it's got a different icon to represent it's a 4 series controller. Now it's always a good idea to just quickly double check your IP address. So here's my PC IP address. And as you can see here, they are compatible. And the A here represents we're on automatic addressing. So we know this is going to work. Okay, so if you hit web page, and here you have the IQ4 series web page. So what we're going to do is go into modules, then go into networks. And as you can see, R&D have done a particularly nice job here that you've got a graphical representation of what you're going to try and do. So in this case, we're going to configure our 4NC for trend Internetwork, so Ethernet to trend Internet network. And as you can see here, various sections here have been grayed out to avoid any errors in the setup. So we're going to leave this local LAN as 19. So if we hit this tick button here, it will write to the controller and it will confirm at the top of the screen saying write value success. So we can close this down. Now just create our tuner. So select your NC again. This time select your VCNCs. So virtual communications node controller, and what we're going to do is make a TUA, so trend universal address, for us to establish connection to this device. So if I select that, we're going to go with the IP address, so hit yes and just hit OK. This pop-up confirms it's been written to the notepad. Okay, so in set, I'm going to go to the edit site details, so this house icon, and then just do this drop down to select the TUA I've just created. So it just confirms here what it's going to connect using, the IP address and the various ports. So if we hit OK, and now on my site, a simple right click and refresh to map in the Internetwork and the local LAN. So refresh the Internetwork, and as we can see, that's coming pretty quick. So refresh one of this MSTP, and you can see you've got a BINC here with 3 ecos attached to it. But then also if I refresh LAN 21, we can see that that's actually a current loop LAN. So we can see that the 4NC's done its job here to add in the current loop onto the existing Ethernet backbone. Okay, well thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoy using the NC. Thank you.